Ntenga Foundation! Woo! We are very happy, even though it's raining, but we're gonna kill it!
Three, two, one. Two, one.
Ntenga Foundation! Ntenga Foundation! Ntenga Foundation! Happy Heritage Day!
Many athletes we are attending them course, and then I like to say I'm very happy of my time today because of this. It was tough road because of the wind. Then it is raining, but I'm very happy about my time today, finishing time.
Namhlanje ngigijime kahle kakhulu noma isikhathi ebengisi-expect-ile singaphumanga kuphuma u-41 instead of my sub 40, but I believe konke kwenzeke because of the weather besinayo namhlanje. It was not beautiful, but the event was well organized and ngijabule kakhulu ukuba part of Ntenga Foundation. Next year I'm coming back. Thank you.
Personally, as an artist and also people abasemehlweni wabantu, sibona ukuthi especially ngikhulumele mina, bona ukuthi mangibe example ebantwini ukuthi we need to have a healthy lifestyle. Healthy body is a healthy mind. We do need ingqondo ekhaliphile nomzimba flexible ukuze sikwazi ukudabula ama characters and sikwazi ukuchintsha from one character to another character because we're going through emotions. But at the same time, mawasibona abantu lengaphandle, they regard us as their role models. And ngomjaho man full was ngomjaho ukuthi uphume number 1.
Bajikise mama
Number 1 ngisase fit namanje. Yes.